Hey guys, in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to download and install SaxoTrader on your Windows laptop or PC. If you're looking for a reliable platform to trade Forex, stocks, or indices, SaxoTrader is a solid option, and I'll show you how to get it set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, click the link in the video description. That link will take you directly to the official SaxoTrader download page. Once the page loads, you'll see two download options available. Here, make sure you click on Get It on Windows. As soon as you click it, the download will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few seconds. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder and locate the file. Go ahead and double-click on it to launch the installer. Now, the setup window will open. Click Next, then simply follow the instructions. Click Next again. If you see a security prompt asking for permission, just click Yes to continue. The installation process should start immediately and only take a short moment. Once it's finished, click Finish, and SaxoTrader should open right away. If it doesn't, no worries. You can always find it by searching for SaxoTrader in your Start menu. And that's it. SaxoTrader is now fully installed and ready to go on your Windows PC. From here, you can sign into your account or create a new one and start exploring the platform. Alright, that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.